Hey, good morning, Factory Fam. Welcome back to the channel. I'm tired. It's kind of early. It's not super early. Sick baby, man. Let's sleep. So, we got day of running errands today. A little liquid energy, and we're out of here. Let me get in the car, and then I'll kind of give you a rundown on what we're about to do. So, let's go. All right, guys, so we're gonna head down to Crafted. We're gonna drop off the headliner. We're gonna talk to Jordan about the other tan interior pieces, discuss if we're gonna go ahead and wrap those black suede like the headliner, or what we're gonna do. We're gonna talk about door panels, and then we're gonna talk about scheduling the seats. And then we're also gonna stop by RPM Motorsports and talk about Line-X. So, come on, let's go. All right, guys, so quick update. We just left, or not we, just me today. I just left RPM Performance in Burlington and talked to Carl over there. We had been emailing a couple times. So I went in to talk to him. I got a chip sample of the Line-X texture, see how that's gonna match up and look with the textures and materials we're going to use on the interior. So I'm headed to Crafted now, get this headliner out. One of the plugs in my headliner wouldn't let me start my car with it unplugged. So it's right here. It's right up here. You can't see it. I know, it sucks. But there's a big harness clip of some kind in there. And whatever it is, my car doesn't want to run without it. So we're gonna have to figure that out when we pull the whole headliner out, and then get whatever that's attached to off of the headliner, and assess from there. But that's the plan as of right now. We're headed to Crafted. That hopefully will be our last errand that we have to run. I don't know how long we'll be there or what all, but we're gonna kind of assess our interior plan and see what's going on. So that's where we're at. Now we're cruising. All right, guys, just got here to Crafted, so let's go find Jordan and see what's going on. Oh. Jordan's out. He's looking sexy. What's up, man? Good. How you doing? What's up, brother? Scott's getting his work on. What's going on, man?
Oh, you know.
Working hard, as always. You doing alright though, man?
If we don't stay happy, nobody pays us.
Oh, hey. It's funny how that works,
I know, right? If they don't do anything, they don't make any money. Weird.
Sweet looking seats. Man.
This goes so hot. There's some guys off the resort.
They look beautiful.
Yeah, they're cool. They fit really nice.
I really like that gray against the black, man. That is, wow.
Yeah.
And then with the carbon backs. Wow. You guys, the contrast on these seats is ridiculous. Also, if you didn't know, you can ship stuff here they will upholster it for you, or they can ship out their own crafted seats to you. And they're, I mean, sick. Carbon back lineables. Are you kidding? Woo. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I love the contour of those.
Yeah, absolutely. The contrast of that gray suede on that carbon is wow. That looks so sweet.
So you took out your headliner. You took out your headliner.
Oh yeah, I got scars to prove it, man.
Nice. You got upholstery wound.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yep. You're not trying if you don't got scars and scratches, right? That's how we do it.
Yeah, they all come home with Band-Aids and...
Oh yeah. I was like, I'll just let it dry. It's usually better than a Band-Aid.
Yeah.
It just covers itself up. Wow, those are way heavier than I thought they were too.
Yeah, those are pretty heavy with all the bracket, right? It makes it super strong, right?
Oh yeah.
Now, if you want light, you go with the fixed backs, and those are 30 pounds.
Right.
Yeah. These are still lighter.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
But yeah, you've got some massive structure.
Yeah, if I was doing one of your guys' seats, these would be the ones for sure. For sure. At some point, man, we will definitely do some crafted seats in a build. They're sweet. All right, guys, that's all she wrote. We dropped it off. We're gonna say bye to Scott.
Yep.
George's over there working hard. We're out of here. Hey, thanks so much, buddy. Appreciate you, man.
Nice to see you.
All right, we'll see you again soon, all right? Have a good one. Don't work too hard. All right, guys. So that's all the pieces we just dropped off. That's what we got. And this is what the car is looking like. Oh my goodness. What a freaking mess. Move the seat back. Always fun seeing these guys are crafted. They are freaking awesome, y'all. Alright. Look. This is the harness that apparently I need to run my car. So, driving like that, I guess. Not really sure what else to do for now. Make sure the car starts. Hey! It does. We got interior swatch pieces. We'll put those there. And done at crafted. Gosh, it really feels like a freaking race car in here. Not for long though. We'll just keep pushing. So I haven't eaten yet today. That's something I do often. I don't eat. Honestly, my wife gets mad at me because I don't eat. She calls me the camel. I can eat one time and like last all day, but I'm actually really hungry, and coming down to Crafted is always a good excuse to go to Yummy Banh Mi. So we're gonna roll over there right now. We're gonna get some sandwiches. We're probably gonna grab some sandwiches, take home to my love, and get out of here. So let's do it. All right, guys. About to get some banh mi, I'm telling you, man, it's not just a gimmick name. Oh, super yummy. Get it. It's the spot right here. Oh. What's up, man? How's it going?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Good. You know, anytime I'm in town, I'm gonna come out and get the banh mi, bro. Let me do 5 pork banh mi's.
Oh, 5
Light carrots. And I want to eat one of them here and 4 to go.
Yes.
That cool? Sweet. That's what it is, man.
Alright, 2737. Thank you.
Ready for Easter over here, man. Got the chocolate bunnies for sure.
Do you need the receipt?
No, I'm good, dude. Let's see. Banh mi's for the family secured. Oh, so good, y'all. Seriously though, I was only about in there for 5 minutes. I didn't want to film myself eating because I probably looked ridiculous, but I just smash when I come to Yummy Banh Mi, yo. Every time I come to Crafted, I try to come to Yummy Banh Mi. Every time. So good. Oh gosh, this car looks ridiculous. Look at all this stuff everywhere. I got a freaking wiring harness plugged in here so I can start my car, but look at this thing. It's crazy. Kid seat, headrest from original headrests. Gotta start messing with these door panels. This car will be stripped. We would have a head armrest. Crazy. Anyway. All right, y'all. Let's get back on the road. I'll check back in when I get home. All right, y'all. Just made it home. I got interior samples. Banh mi's for the fam. Man, frickin' recycling didn't come last week. Ooh, score, what? Alright. Oh. Hey. That's my wrap. Sick. Right. Smells good in here. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and end the video here. As always, hit the subscribe button, give us a like, share, comment, build a community. Build your car for you, not for somebody else. Y'all have a great time. We'll see you next time. Peace.